You guys, it's 12 a.m. here in Amsterdam. I meant to say that it's Crystal's birthday, and we're about to sleep right now. And we just got home from the dinner that we had earlier, as you can see in my stories. So I'm gonna sing happy birthday for him right now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you today. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my love. Yay! Birthday, my love. Yes. This year, Happy birthday. Are you gonna say something? How old are you now? Happy birthday. Hello. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. So yeah, it's his birthday and I'll get back to you tomorrow. Inside, what is inside the box? Actually, this is not the one. So I just it's just the because I haven't wrapped it, so I just put it in the paper. Where's your crystal? Come on, let's open your thingy. Come.
Could it be some Lacoste?
Not sure.
It's Lacoste.
Wait. You like it, my love?
Thank you, buddy.
Wait, if there is some thingy. Love you. Happy birthday, my love.
Thank you, buddy.
You like it?
Let me check the fitting.